Hi, do you have a good idea? I've seen people turn ideas into millions of dollars. I can help you do it. What do you need to do? You need to be able to manufacture, market, and distribute a product. And right now, in today's economy, this is the perfect time to do it. This is going to be like the roaring 20s of the 1920s. After this pandemic, people are going to come out with their ideas and do all kinds of things to make money. And why are you in the perfect position to do it right now? We have the ability through Amazon to reach out to 400 million people. You have the ability to go overseas and manufacture things for less than they can do here in the United States. You have the ability to ship and transport these products to all your customers without any brick or mortar. You could all do it from just the idea in your head. I've seen it done before. I've seen the roadmap on how to get there, and I can share that roadmap with you. Remember, good ideas are worth protecting.